Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I showed this in a recent video, my dad's paper route book, and it was sad. I know I explained he had to walk 2 miles from our house just to start his route, and you know, in the dead of winter, it's pretty cold here, but he made cute little pictures of a peaceful valley cabin. He's a nice man. Good man. A little farm area. Must have been what he wanted when he was Anyways, little. In the last Your Creative Studio subscription kit, they had, this was just kind of the folder that she had some really cool collage paper in. So I'm just using that and covered the back that had kind of what was inside and their UPC and everything. So I made a little booklet out of it that I'm going to put like memories of my dad and some quotes, some positive quotes, and I just did a couple pages. I showed doing it, but of course that footage was funky. It didn't work. So here's a nice little, this was one of the papers, and that was one of the papers. The little poem. So, here's my little booklet. Okay, so I was going so fast. I made a box over here and then I dropped this in and didn't notice that I needed to open the box some more. So I just redid it. And I did want to let you know that I ran upstairs without this. So I just took a little piece of Scotch tape and folded it around, stuck that on, and it ran through just fine. So there you go. But it's such a beautiful, I love this so much. The Piece of Wild Things by Wendell Berry. When despair for the world grows in me, and I wake in the night at the least sound, in fear of what my life and my children's lives may be, I go and I lie down where the wood drake rests in his beauty on the water, and the great heron feeds. I come into the peace of wild things who do not tax their lives with forethought of grief. I come into the presence of still water, and I feel above me the day-blind stars waiting with their light. For a time I rest in the grace of the world and am free. Isn't that beautiful? Oh. All right, so we're going to start over. I feel like that's a little, I better leave it because I'll end up having to redo it. And then think I'm going to save this. I'm making another quote book. Because I think, well, yeah, I'll leave this in my quote book. Because I want to put pictures of my dad and stuff in here. I think I'm going to narrow it up. What's this? There's another one, Ralph Emerson. Ralph Waldo Emerson. What's this from? Oh, that. Never mind. Okay.